Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ha. Oh, Lord. Yes, sir. It's your boy Terrence Carter, and I'm here, back at it again with another video. I ain't do a video in my home in so long, bro. I ain't gonna front. I've been giving y'all a lot of, not so long, but like, it's been like a couple weeks. Let me not even over exaggerate it. But I've been giving y'all a lot of like outdoor content. And I said to myself, like, let me go home, eat some food and bring y'all some content while you guys, see me like in solitude. You know what I'm saying? And bro, I'm learning like I'm learning so much about life. I'm learning so much about, just trusting myself, trusting God, of course. Like staying true to who I am. You know what I'm saying? Asking God every day for guidance, for protection, and but I tell you guys, like, God is gonna show you, who you are. God is gonna help you in every way, shape, or form. You know what I'm saying? Like, God is with you at all times. And I realize that a lot the more that I embrace God's presence. Now you gotta also understand it and see it in this human experience, in this reality, that the negative energy also exists in this world. And I'm gonna title this video, you have to like pass down the torch to the next generation. When it comes down to having this information, being on semen retention, being on no FAP. For anybody out there on YouTube that puts out content, talking about investing in the stock market and anything that's positive, that's putting out positive information to the youth, to the next generation. Because it's our job not only to help ourselves as much as we can, because you have to be self-dependent, but in some way, shape, or form, you have to be able to serve the next generation. Now, if they don't want to apply the information, because sometimes everybody's not always going to listen, but there's those out there in the world that I know that are younger than me, or that are, in their early 20s, that are on retention, that are on no FAP, and that are seeing the real life benefits. And I'm pretty sure you're literally thankful for this experience. Now, of course, before I even, talk to y'all some more, of course, a huge shout out to everybody in the semen retention and no FAP community. A huge shout out to everybody that's been supporting this channel. Thank y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm truly, truly appreciative. My apologies yesterday for not dropping no content. I put like 2 YouTube shorts on the channel, but today, I was supposed to make this video yesterday, to be honest with y'all. But I was adapting to being out here doing Uber Eats in the Bronx, and that's my bad, dude. That's my bad. I just made sure I put out some content. But like I said, shout out to everybody in the semen retention and no FAP community. This is your first time to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave your comments below. Now, yes sir, passing the torch down to the next generation. Semen retention is golden. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. Semen retention is your truest version of yourself. Being on retention is how you're really gonna grow spiritually. It's really how you're gonna grow mentally. It's gonna help you have a more clear vision for yourself. It'll help you really realize who you truly are. And when you come down to the realization of self, there's like no real better feeling. Like, there's people out there in the world that feel as if they don't have a purpose. They don't know what they're here to do. But you have a purpose to serve. You gotta live through God. And you gotta allow God to show you what your purpose is. When you have a clouded mind from watching porn, when you have a dimmed light within you from releasing your seed, you start to disconnect from source. You start to disconnect from the higher version of you that is here to serve, that is here to help other people, that is here to help yourself. Because I continue to tell y'all that, number one, you can break the addiction if you really set your mind to it, if you really applied focus to transmuting all of that same energy you have into watching them videos. If you put that same energy and that same hunger and that same oomph into things that you actually want to create, it's a way better feeling. Because the feeling that porn is giving you, it's a trash feeling. It's a self-destruction feeling. It's a self-harm feeling. It's a feeling like you're not really confident in yourself, bro. That's how porn made me feel. That's how releasing my seed made me feel. So there's gonna come a point in time in your life where you have to keep it real with yourself. You have to keep it real with yourself and say, I'm tired of this addiction. I'm tired of watching the other people fornicate on the screen. I'm tired of releasing the seed, bro. 2-3 times a day, bro. Like, there's so much time in the day, right? But there's so much time that you can no longer get back. And that, like, sometimes you gotta allow that to real life sink in. This is why I've been more in tune with myself and putting my time and my energy into the things that matter the most, bruh. Porn does not matter. Releasing your seed recklessly, it don't matter, bruh. Like, you're literally telling yourself, I created a child. I put a child into this world. And you didn't. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, and this is why I say I get mad at the PMO industry. I get mad at the fact that they made this shit free. But then you also gotta get mad at yourself for being so, like, naive. You feel me? So I wanna say so manipulated from the PMO industry, bro. Cause they're literally just taking people's energy on a day-to-day. And this is why I push out these semen retention and these no-fap videos. Because I want y'all to build that mental strength, that spiritual strength, that connection with God, you know, that connection with source, with your own energy. I want y'all to see yourself in a way better light than just you being a person that releases the seed. You being a person that's addicted to watching the people. Like you can't continue to be that. You have to be somebody totally different. Yeah, I know, bro. I've been on this experience since 2019. For those of y'all that's new, now you know. For those of y'all that's been here, rocking with me for years, I appreciate y'all. You feel me? This shit, real life changes you, bro. And it gets to the point where it's like, the more, like, when you're on retention and no FAP, you're solely focused on where am I putting my energy at? What am I giving my time to? Is it bringing me a return on investment? Is it helping my future self? Is it helping me? Is it helping my present self? Like, you gotta literally just stay tunnel vision focused. But I tell you, like, transmute, you gotta constantly transmute, put this energy somewhere else, bruh. Working out, perfecting your craft, working, making money, serving people. Like you just gotta put the energy, just transmute it, bruh. This shit gonna force you, bro. It's gonna force you to semen retention is gonna force you to feel uncomfortable. Because no man is used to having energy unlimited. I wake up in the rising, bro, my vessel be energized, bro. I be feeling it like, yo, I got so much energy. I gotta do something. Bro. Tell you all the time, though, first thing I always do is I talk to God. I plan out the day. I put my energy towards what I have planned. You feel me? And one thing that retention and no FAP will teach you, and just life in general, bro. Life in general. You know what I'm saying? You can't be afraid to fail. Because that's all a part of learning. So when you first get on your retention journey and your no FAP journey, this shit, my apologies for cursing, my apologies. This stuff is gonna be extremely tough for you. I'm telling you. The first 30 days of your retention experience or your no FAP experience is gonna be tough because you're breaking this addiction that has such a strong hold on you and you feel like you can't let it go. But as soon as you get past that first month and you get into the groove and you get past that second and that third month, you're gonna start to see, you're gonna start to realize, you're gonna start to feel like the importance of being on retention, the importance of letting porn go. Like, it's all about self-realization, bro. Tapping into who you really are. That confident, loving individual within you, that's you. The love that you want from everybody else, give it to yourself, bro. Like, this experience gets deep, but it's such a deeper, like, understanding, bro. It's such a purified, like, understanding and understanding of life itself, bro. Energy is everything. If I could harness and cultivate and create with this energy, I can always stay in tune with my higher self, and I can always create from a higher source. You feel me? Like, when you watching porn and when you releasing your seed, you're creating an experience from your lower source, from your lower vibration. Like, you're creating an experience that you don't really want. Like, it just gotta correlate to you, bro. When you retain your seed and you stop watching PMO, stop watching porn, and you start keeping your energy to yourself, you start creating more positive experiences for yourself. Like, it just makes sense. This is your natural way of living. This is your natural way of being, bro. You're supposed to feel good. You're supposed to feel abundant about yourself, no matter what you don't see right now. I just wanted to express that to somebody, bro, because, like, I just want y'all to really, really, really take semen retention and no FAP serious, bro. Like, really, really allow it to show you what it could do. Retaining your seed is the best thing for every man in this human experience. It is the best feeling in the world, bro. Like, I don't care what nobody says. Every day, I will continue to show gratitude and appreciation and thankfulness for having my energy, having my seed. This shit completes me, bro. Me and God. God is within, bro. Like, this shit, real life keeps you connected to your freaking higher self. And it's like, you real life gotta continue to transmute and keep going and keep pushing and keep on remembering your why. Like, you value your energy. You value yourself, bro. Like, you value the creative essence that's within you just with this sexual energy outside of creating a child. Outside of creating another version of you, right? You have the ability to create the life that you want. There's real life, some people out there in this reality that's not ready for kids or that don't want kids, but then they have kids anyway. That's using your sexual energy and you're bringing a child to the world that you're not ready for. But I do applaud those that are in homes that, where the family is together. You know what I'm saying? Where you have the mom and the dad and the house. You feel me? Mom and the dad, child. Like, I applaud those families. Real talk. But what we see in this generation nowadays, bro, oh my gosh, bro, it's this is what I'm telling you, fellas. Like, take retention serious. Take no FAP serious, bro. Leave masturbation alone. Leave releasing your seed alone. Leave that stuff alone, bro. Like, it's always a better version of you within you that's waiting for you to show it attention. You feel me? Like, give that best version of yourself your time and your energy and your attention. You feel me? In love. Like, it's always within you, bro. And God is going to always show you. Last thing I'm going to leave y'all off with, bro. Mind over matter. And the reason I'm saying that is because when I was walking outside, I heard somebody say that. The universe sends you messages through people, through synchronicities, through, whatever. Through a lot of different things. Mind over matter, bro. Alright? Retention, no FAP is going to help you have a stronger mind. It's going to help you have a stronger sense of self. More emotional control. More, just focus and tunnel vision, bro, for the life that you want to create and a future version of yourself that you want to be, that you're already becoming. I just want to share that with y'all, man. Don't be addicted to porn, bro. Don't be in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s still addicted to releasing your seed, bro. Nah. I'm telling y'all, bro, like, retention is the best feeling in the world. No FAP, best feeling in the world, bro. Like, thank you, God. I'm forever thankful. If y'all gained something from today's video, which I know y'all did, you feel me? Hold on. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if this is your first time to the channel. And leave your comments below, man. I'm gonna have more content for y'all. Real talk. You feel me? And I started on the ebook. I'm not going front. I started on the ebook. And once I start learning a little bit more how to create it on my phone, this and the third, I'm gonna get it done, bro. I got y'all. Bro. Real talk. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. It's your boy Terrence Carter. Yes, sir.